So it's been a while since we've done a vlog. We are headed to downtown Disney with Miss Natalia. You can't really see her face because of the way the mirror is. Natty. She just recently turned 1. I know the last time I vlogged, she was 3 months old. She's gotten so big. But we're gonna go to Orlando, downtown Disney, and possibly downtown Sanford. We'll see. It's just gonna be a lot of B-roll. I'm not vlogging the way I used to because I feel like I have to pay attention a lot more to what's going on around me. So for right now, it's just gonna be a lot of shots of what we're doing and stuff like that. It's more for the family and things like that. So, all right, let's do this. We made it, Nina. Hey. It's not that bad. I thought it was gonna be crazy crowded, and it actually feels good to not have to wear a mask outside because it's hot. What?
It's a lot of space.
Yeah, it's a lot of space, and we did have to go through like a security check, which I actually like better because it used to be just like come in, but I think City Walk has the security check, so it makes sense. All right, we're gonna walk around and see and just let her observe everything. Amor. Mira qué lindo. Eso.
Tiene las manos amarillas.
¿Qué tú ves? What do you see, mamá? ¿Te llora? ¿Tú ves eso? So I don't know if it's because I haven't been out since the pandemic, but I feel like people forgot how to give personal space. Or maybe they always were like that. ¿Qué pasó, mamá? Mira. Maybe they were always like that and I just never noticed or cared because of the whole 6 feet thing, but now I'm just like, bro, give me space. Like, there's so much space. Get away from me. Daddy having a smoothie. One smoothie, mama. El smoothie de papi. No puede tener el smoothie de mami. My phone's about to die, but we're at the Rainforest Cafe. With Natty. She went through her first thunderstorm and she was all about it. Uh-oh, uh-oh. So it's actually Monday now. That was Saturday, but I just wanted to say we had a great time actually. It was kind of weird being out and about after not having done so much in the pandemic. I'm fully vaccinated, but I'm like this much worried because I woke up today with some sort of cough, and when I was at Disney Springs coming out of the bathroom, you know, I was doing a mask indoors, and anytime the crowd was like too much outside, I would do it. But I got out of the bathroom, so I took my mask off, and just as I was passing by, this little girl like sneezed on me, and I was just like, great. Great. So I'm like hoping that this is just allergies and the spores and stuff outside from the rain, but it was fun. Hopefully I'm good, and I will keep you guys updated on that hopefully. And yeah, I'll see you later.